Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan. I'm the technical support agent for Perfect Tech. Today in front of me we have our large digital Dropbox safe. We've designed this one specifically so it can fit any passport or ID into a mail slot size on top of the safe. I'll open it up now. So inside, what you will get is you'll get one manual on how to actually activate or how actually to insert your batteries, how to use the key and the keypad. On the inside, you'll see that it comes pre-packed with foam and a thin layer of bubble wrap. We'll take the foam away. Within it, you'll receive your 4 AA batteries, neatly sealed in a packet. You'll receive a cover plate for the front cover, your emergency keys, and your 2 wall mounting bolts. As you can see at the top, there is our Dropbox slot for that can fit IDs, passports, any small items that can fit into a mail slot. In the front, you'll see you got a lever and a keypad. The keypad is covered with a thin layer of plastic, so you can just peel that off once you receive it. Now I'm going to show you guys how to insert the batteries and how to set your keypad. To start set up your safe, you'll need the keys that comes with the safe. Please do not lock your keys on the inside, otherwise you avoid your warranty and you won't be able to open your safe once the batteries have died. Take your keys, insert it into the front slot right here. Turn the knob to the left. Once you open, you'll see there's a velvet pad, and at the back there's 2 holes, pre-drilled holes for the wall mounting bolts, and at the bottom 2 pre-drilled holes. To insert the batteries, you just open up this latch and you take your batteries. Let's open them up. Once you've got your batteries, just follow the diagram on the inside of the latch. Once it's in, you'll hear a peep. Now you can go ahead and you can close your latch. At the back, you'll see there's a little red button. You'll press that button and you'll hear 2 beeps. Now you can put in your 4 to your 8-digit code. Once that's done, you'll press the A at the bottom. Let's lock our safe and test our code. There we have it. Our safe is unlocked. The low battery warning will come up once the battery is finished. Thank you very much.